dear viewers, welcome back to Horilla. Today on this tutorial, we'll be talking about the contacts of Horilla CRM. This module serves as your central repository for managing individual contact information, enabling you to capture, organize, and maintain complete records of customers, prospects, and all related individuals. So let's begin. For that, first you have to go to the contacts. So go to the sidebar, you have people, under which you can see the contacts. So choose the contacts. And this is the contacts overview, which is basically the list view of different contacts. It will be showing you the first name, the last name, the title, email, phone, contact source, and different actions. So actions includes edit and delete as well as changing of the owner. So click on the edit, which will enable you to edit the data which is already there. And after you do that, you have to make sure you save it. Then you can change the owner from here. So simply click on the drop down and choose the owner. After that, you have the option to delete the data as well. So here in the list view, okay, it will be presenting all the contacts in a centralized list view for quick access and management, and you can efficiently find any contact by name, job title, or email using the search, sorting, and filter. So there are three things that I said right now: search, sorting, and filter. First one is search. So here you have a search bar where you can search for the contacts. I'm searching for a contact over here, and it will be giving you the results or showing you whatever you have searched for. If any results that is there based on your search, that data will be displayed over here. So you can either save it to the list or clear all. I'm clearing the search. Then next you have the filter option. So from here you can choose a field. I'm choosing the field over here. Let it be the name itself. And you have to select operator, whether equals to, contain, and all. I'm giving equals to, and I'm giving the name as this. Clicking on apply. So this will show you if there is anything like this. I'm just changing this to this and trying to click on apply. And now you can see the data. Okay. So I'm going to clear all. That's the filter. That's the second one, which is filter. And third one was, sorting. Okay. So on each field, you can see this upward and downward arrow, which is going to help you to sort it. Now here you can see the names are in a random order. I'm going to click on the arrows and now you can see it's in alphabetical order. So that's the sorting. Okay. There are three operations that you can do over this. Then other than this, you have this bulk management of the data. That is the contacts. You have two options to select the whole data. One is to select, that is by clicking on this select, and I'm unselecting it, or by clicking on this checkbox next to the first name. So after you select the whole data, you can see different bulk operations like the export selector, the bulk update, bulk delete, and the selected count. Okay. So any bulk operations can be performed here by simply selecting the whole contacts from here. And if you want to see only the recently viewed, recently created, or recently modified, that can be chosen from there as well. Now let's switch on to the Kanban view. Okay, so here in the Kanban view, you can see the contacts under different stages. Okay, so you can click the view toggle to switch to Kanban. And this view is designed to visualize and automatically group contacts based on their contact source, such as web, referral, or even social and all. Okay. So the cards display essential details. You can see different cards over here, and this view helps your team identify which source contribute the most valuable contact. Okay. You can use the drag and drop. So I'm dragging and dropping it to phone inquiry. Likewise, you can drag and drop it to a different stage. Okay. So that's how it works. And you can create a new contact simply by clicking on new over here. So here comes the contact creation. So the very first step is to, specify the contact information. So you have to enter the core details like the contact owner, the title, that is the job title, the first and last name. So naming him Adam and specifying his last name, the phone number, the email. So random email, okay, I'm giving. Okay, so this is a random email that I've specified over here. Then you have the birth date, the assistant phone, contact source, the parent contact source, can be anything. I'm putting him under inquiry and clicking on next, which is the additional information. Okay. I mean the address information, sorry. Then third step is the additional information. So in the address information, you have to input the city, the state, the country, and the postal code, which is the zip code. And next you have the additional information where you have to specify the preferred language and add any descriptive notes. So I'm putting the language as English itself and saving it. So a new contact is created under phone inquiry. So after you click on save, a new complete contact is registered over here. And if you want to get the detailed information, what will you do? Click on the contact name and this will show you the detailed information. So first of all, you have tabs that are available, which are like the details, the activities, the related list, notes and attachments, and history. So this full visibility into interactions and relationship history coupled with its interaction or the integration with leads and opportunities enhances your overall customer relationship management. So under the details, you can see the details of the contact, and this will only be showing you the details that you have provided. But there is an option for you all to add additional information and save it. Then you can see the activities related to this particular person. Activities in the sense you have meetings, calls, emails, and events. If there are none, you can add any of these from here itself. You have the related list, like the child contact, related campaigns, related opportunities, and all, which also can be added from here. Then you have the notes and attachments and the history of the contact. So it will be showing you all the operations involved by the contact. Okay, so that concludes our overview of the Horilla CRM contacts module. So if this tutorial helped you organize your customer data, please give us a like and subscribe for more CRM workflow guides. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.